In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a spending budget using Monarch Money. This step-by-step approach will guide you through the process, ensuring you can set up your budget with ease and confidence. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your browser and navigate to the Monarch Money app. Once you're there, head over to the Budget section, which will be your central hub for all budgeting activities. If you're new to Monarch Money, you'll want to get started by clicking on Create My Budget. This is the perfect starting point as it will allow you to tailor your preferences and categories right from scratch. Next, in the upper right corner, you'll see a Settings option. Clicking this reveals a Start Setup button. This feature will kickstart the setup process, allowing you to customize your budgeting experience to better match your financial goals and lifestyle. During the setup, you might notice the option to add groups. This is particularly useful if you need to categorize expenses into specific clusters, such as home or transport. Feel free to make use of this feature to maximize the efficiency of your budgeting process. Once you've tailored your group settings, simply hit Continue to proceed. You'll then be faced with an important choice between budgeting methods. For today's example, we're selecting a specific method, which is often the case for many users. It helps streamline expenses and manage finances more effectively. Following your method selection, click Continue to advance. You'll be prompted to input various amounts for your expenses. Here's where you can dictate your fixed expenses, those regular, non-negotiable costs that occur monthly, such as rent or mortgage payments. Taking a moment to jot down these amounts can provide a clearer picture of your obligatory spendings. Afterward, hit Continue once again. We're now venturing into expense frequency, where you can set how often these occur, weekly, monthly, or annually. Also, inputting a target amount helps in setting realistic goals for each of these expenses. The next step involves defining your monthly budget. This is where you allocate a specific amount towards flexible spending, perhaps for dinners out or discretionary purchases. It's crucial to establish this as it gives a limit to indulgences, helping to maintain financial discipline. As we conclude, click Continue, ensuring all inputs reflect your true monthly financial roadmap. Finally, once setup is done, select View My Budget. This action will present you with an overview of your entire budgeting plan, giving you complete control over your spending and empowering you to make informed financial decisions. That wraps up our tutorial on setting a spending budget with Monarch Money. With everything in place, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your financial health and achieving your savings goals.